know, we were away for a few days and we had a branch hanging over our garden into the corn, organic corn. And I think it was raccoons would climb the tree, hang from the tree and get in the garden and get out of the garden. And outside the garden I have a whole bunch of husks with every bit of corn eaten. They must have had a feast. And we didn't think about that. But I was sitting outside and I said to my husband, you know what, that branch hanging over the garden? That's how they're getting in, and they were. Our eggplant creation is done, and it's a powerhouse. So this is from my garden. Isn't this beautiful? The eggplant, I have Asian eggplant, I have striped eggplant, and this is from my garden, my tomatoes. Ooh, they're beautiful. I'm gonna egg my eggplant right now. Tomatoes. So bring it to a party and have some fun. Hi and welcome again to Annie's Angle and Annie's Kitchen. Today we're going to do a one-pot meal. Don't you love one-pot meals? I do, because it's so easy and it's in one pot and you don't have to worry about it. And I can make a lot of it, which I am, and freeze it. I love that kind of meal, so take it out whenever you want. Wow. So before I tell you what you need, grab a cup of coffee. I invite you to have a cup of coffee with me. Come on. Oh, gotta have my coffee, right? So this is from my garden. Isn't this beautiful? The eggplant, I have Asian eggplant, I have striped eggplant, and white eggplant. We're gonna use them all in this meal because I have so much eggplant that I have to use it all, which I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna use some cumin, garbanzo beans, and this is from my garden, my tomatoes. Ooh, they're beautiful. Spike and adobo, some scallions, lemons, and of course, garlic. Yeah, I love garlic. I wish I could grow garlic. I'm not too successful with garlic or parsley. I grow all these herbs really well, but not parsley. Chicken broth and olive oil. Did I say that? And corn. Do you know, we were away for a few days and we had a branch hanging over our garden into the corn, organic corn. And I think it was raccoons would climb the tree, hang from the tree and get in the garden and get out of the garden. And outside the garden I have a whole bunch of husks with every bit of corn eaten. They must have had a feast. And we didn't think about that. But I was sitting outside and I said to my husband, you know what, that branch hanging over the garden? That's how they're getting in, and they were. Those little critters ate every corn that we have to replant next week, which we're going to do. We're gonna replant corn because we have one of those corns and they were delicious. They must have had about 24 years, which was, oh my gosh. We couldn't wait to have a corn. So of course I'm going to put corn in it. So I got organic. Everything I have is organic, you know, because I try to use organic when I can and grow organically too, which is great. So come on into my kitchen and let's make a one-pot meal that you can freeze and you can enjoy and really is healthy. You know, eggplant is so healthy. That's why I use the skin. And because it's organic and I can use the skin, which I'm so happy for. So come on into my kitchen and let's make a one-pot meal you're gonna love. I guarantee it. Okay, now we're gonna put the olive oil in the pan generously all over. And because you want it to roast that eggplant, cook it really well. I'm gonna put this on medium heat, add my scallions, my garlic. There's 2 scallions, 4 cloves of garlic. Well, you can use less garlic, but I like garlic. As you well know, I love garlic. And you're going to let that cook a little bit, and then you're going to add your eggplant. Well, actually, I'm going to add my eggplant right now. And I have white eggplant, Asian eggplant, striped eggplant, and the darker eggplant with that one. So all my eggplant is, and now I'm going to cook that until that's tender. before I add my other things. And we'll just come back. So my eggplant's been cooking and it looks perfect. Okay? Now I'm going to add my other things. I'm going to add the garbanzo beans, a whole can of garbanzo beans. Tomatoes. Now, this is about 5-6 cherry tomatoes. You can add more or less if you want. A cup and a half of corn. Lemon juice, 2 lemons. 1 cup of chicken broth. 3/4 teaspoon of cumin. I'll mix that all around. And some spike in adobo. A dash of spike and a dash of adobo. Just put that all over, spike and adobo. And I'm going to let that cook until everything's cooked and the chicken broth has gone down a bit. So we'll let that cook for a while and we'll come back and we'll give it a taste. What do you say? That sounds good, huh? Okay, our eggplant creation is done. And it's a powerhouse, I'm telling you, of delicious everything. There's chickpeas, lots and lots of eggplant, tomatoes, scallions, garlic. There's everything in it that's very, very healthy and delicious. Lemons, chicken broth. So I let that cook down, but I left a little bit of broth to, get the taste. So, and I'm going to freeze some of this, quite a bit of it, and have it at another time. Meal prepping this for another time. I can't wait to have it. So let's come back and give it a try, okay? That's what we're going to do right now. So are you ready to try this with me? Come on, let's try it. Did you make yours? I hope so. I mean, I call this powerhouse delicious. Although I haven't tasted yet, but I'll let you know. Let's take a taste. I'm going to use a spoon to do this. Wow. It's really, really, it's delicious. It's yummy. This is the only word. Can you imagine something so healthy to be so delicious? It is. It really, really is. I'll just take another taste. Should I? Sure. Can't stop eating it. It's really, really good. So make yours. Let me know how it is. Write to me. I love comments. And thank you so much for people who have subscribed to me. I appreciate that. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. Have a real nice day. Come again to Annie's Kitchen. We'll be cooking up a storm because I love to cook. And I love fashion. I'm a fitness instructor. I like crafts. I like everything. I just like to have fun. I like to have fun with you. So come back to my Annie's Angle and we will have a good time. Bye-bye for now.